Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can invite your friends to your Tonkeeper wallet and earn rewards. So first of all, as you can see, there's no option here to do this, and you will need to use one thing, which is on the browser. So click on browser. Now here at the bottom you will see you can search or enter the address. So you want to go ahead and search for Hamster Combat and click go. Now just click the first one, hamstercombat.io, and now you will see this option. So you want to go ahead and play now, and you will be redirected to your Telegram, and you want to go ahead and start. Once you start, you will see this play button, so you want to click on it. Now you will be redirected right there. You're gonna click next and so on and so forth. Let's receive our gift. Now in the middle you will see friends. You want to click on it, and here you can invite a friend. As you can see, you can invite your friend for 5,000 coins, and if you have Telegram Premium you will get 25. So what you want to do is click on invite a friend, and now you can either send it to someone else. You want to go ahead and share it with your friend, and that's basically it. You can go ahead and copy the text there. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.